This artwork has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up artworks that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the artwork so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs. If you'd like to build one of your own, pop along to fanhome.com. They're available in many countries worldwide. If you do want to build one, leave a note in the comments to let me know how you're getting on. So thank you once more to Fanhome for providing me with this kit. I hope you enjoy the build. Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 88 of Building Kitt from Knight Rider. In this issue, we're doing the spoiler. It's a spoiler issue. The one at the back, not anything about what's going to happen. Just yeah. In the series, we're looking at Kidnap. This is episode 3 from season 4. Yeah, Kitt got stolen, probably. I don't know. I don't remember the episode again. It's not one that's outstanding in my memory. Kitt was like a gazelle. What a jump, says Michael. I don't know what happened there. Obviously, he did a jump. Oh, look, that's quite a high jump. That's, yeah, a bit dangerous. There we go. Right, so yes, this is what we're doing. The rear bit for the window. Putting some bits on there and then fitting it to the rear of the window with the spoiler on there as well, ending up like so. Very nice. I'm looking forward to that. That's like one that's going to be a good, good episode. Jennifer Knight. Doesn't look like my brother Garth. Thinks like Jennifer Knight. Is there another member of the family that we've only just found out about? Right, let's clear it out of the way. Let's get this built. So here we have it, the spoiler. It's plastic. I was sort of hoping it'd be metal, but it's not. It's plastic, as is the cover. All of the parts in here are plastic, apart from the screws. So yeah, it is what it is. Now we've got these spoiler supports, which are marked as left and right. So this is the left one. I'm going to just snap that off rather than have to worry too much about it. So the spoilers that way round. B and C. B left, 88B is the left one, and that's the one I just took the little L thing off of. Yes, this is the R. So 88B is that one, so it's going over that side. So they have a sloping bit that sort of fits on there but doesn't actually screw in there as yet. So that one goes there. This one, strangely enough, goes the other side in exactly the same way. Nearly put it on backwards. That one goes on there. You get it the right way round, and it will fit like so. And then this goes over the top of it, and there's a single screw that goes through to hold that in place, and that's going to be one of these PP screws, or one either side, should we say. But that will be nice and easy if I can get them out of the packet. It's being a pain. Am I opening the wrong side? I'm afraid I opened the wrong side of the packet. That's why. So let's get that open and get 2 PP screws out. Save the others for later, or the other one. You might need it later. You never know. So there we have a very small head in there. I'm going to go down to a smaller screwdriver. If I can find my smaller screwdriver. Got it. That's a horrible screwdriver. Don't want that one. That's the one I want. There we go. That goes in there nicely. And then this goes on there that way around. So we've got 2 holes there. One's for the screw and one's for the bit that's not a screw. Get them lined up in the right place. Hopefully without knocking that bit over. Sorry about there, but I can't feel it locating. Right again, shall we? Feed it back from that way. Let's try it without that. to make sure I am doing it right. Yeah, it's going to go on there just like that. That's fine. So that screw's going to go all the way through there. I'm going to tighten up into that. So it feels like it might be tightening into that a little bit. So this might be the easier way of doing this. We get that through there until you can just feel it coming through the other side. Then we can put it against the other bit. So let's do this as well. So I can get this side done in exactly the same way. That on there, in there like so. Oh, not like that. You don't tip it over. On there like so. And then the screw through there as well. Let's see if we can get that lined up. Right. Apologies for the black on black action, but this is not proving the easiest thing to do. Let's put some extra light on. See if we can't get it lined up. It should be easy. First side wasn't so difficult. There we go. That's going through there, I feel. And it feels like it's going through there as well. And hopefully any second now I should feel it start to screw into my thumb. Can't. It's not. Something's not right there. Yeah, that didn't work. Maybe I missed it completely. I don't really know. That's better. Now that's coming through there. Right. So then let's get this on the back there where that needs to be. It should line up nicely onto there. And then that should screw down into the spoiler. There we have it. I shall tighten that down a little bit more. Doesn't need to be silly tight, but it wants to make sure it doesn't wiggle. Yeah, it's pretty much there actually. All good stuff. So there we have that ready to be attached. But first of all, we have this hook to go in there. It just goes through. It doesn't actually screw in anywhere. Right. So this has to go through there like that. So that, and that's going to go on the other side of that once we get the window in the middle. So I need to bring in the car and get that attached. So there in just a second. Okay, so the body of the car. This is going to go over the top of that, just like so. When that shuts, that looks, oh, it's looking very Kitt-like. So that's going on there. On the underside of that, this is fitting, obviously with that latch piece lining up. So that needs to be, hold it by the latch piece, I can show you what's what. That's going to go on there just like that, and that will be obviously with this glass trapped in the middle, and there are 6 more screws to put in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. I'm not going to be able to show you that bit on film, unfortunately, because of angles and lining up of things. Can't actually do it like this because I can't even see what I'm doing there as it is. Unfortunately, showing you and showing me at the same time just isn't going to happen. Line up just about there. There we go. That's lined up on there now. So I've got the 6 screws already sorted. There's not even been able to pick up the first one. Extra hands are what's required in here. Extra hands, more fingers. So I'm going to put this one through, that one next to the latch, to make sure it doesn't all come apart. So that one in there, like so. Apologies, it's out of focus. Got to do it while this is open rather than having it closed. I'm going to put this one through here, so it's going through the window piece as well, like so. And that's basically it. I'll get the other screws in, but that's starting to really look good. I'm liking it. It's all shiny, it's clear. We've got extra panels that are obviously going to have to go across the top here, and the side panels at the back. That's pretty much it. Next up is the windows. Go on these the top windows. So join me for that very soon, when hopefully you'll be able to see what I'm doing a little bit more clearly. So thanks for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon. Bye bye for now.